it is now time for our first Wednesdays with Rosina. Now, this was something that I really wanted to do because I wanted to share with all my followers the kind of little things that I get up to in the studio, little tips for aspiring young dancers, respite for those dance teachers, and just hopefully giving you an insight into my life. I think it's really easy at the moment to follow someone on social media and just think everything is roses, everything is traveling, everything is amazing. And whilst yes, I absolutely adore my job, there are times when I'm just like, ah. I'm currently at Wilkes. It's Tuesday, so I'm filming my Wednesdays with Rosina a little early. Each week, I'd love to hear from you guys with what you want to, what tips you want from me, what else you'd like me to cover. I love your feedback. Keep it positive. It's the new year and all. I really hope that you like a little insight into my life as a dance teacher, as a choreographer, as a creative. And also for those of you that are kind of following this, wondering, being a bit skeptical, you got to remember that I'm only human. Actually sitting here trying to do a vlog for the first time is really difficult for me. The other day when we filmed some of the videos, I tried to do an introduction and I failed miserably. I couldn't even sit in front of the camera and describe what I do for a living. So bear with me as I get used to this sort of vulnerability that vlogging gives me. Yeah, it's enjoy, and I'll see you soon. Bye. So this week's Wednesday with Rosina is all about how to warm up properly. I see so many students sit on the floor and frog like this. Your kids sit there like this. I've seen teachers say run around the room. The other favourite, and I must say I'm a bit bored with this, is warm up our body in a safe and optimum way. So therefore we're going to do a dynamic warm up, which Lauren loves. Yeah, and Sam has a firm favourite about these warm-ups. Every single time he gets this, juniors warming up, seniors warming up, this is what he tells me to do. We do this crossing from there, go. Keeping that moving, you're warming up the obliques, you're warming up the core, you're stretching out the back, you're warming up your legs, your glutes. Take a deep draw. That's the goal. And then we can take it out to the side, just crossing the body, twisting. There we go, warming up the back. Something we always forget to warm up is the back of the core. We do the crunches, we do the back stretching, keep going. But we don't necessarily warm up the core. Excellent. Okay, then take us to some jogging. When you're doing this jogging, make sure you're pushing your heels into the floor. There's not much point just standing there and start like this. As you do star jumps, I always say this, you're pushing down into the floor. It's like a squat action, down. And the arms are also pulling down. Yes, let's use these wisely. 4 more, and 3, and 2, and 1. Ding. Okay, so once we've done our dynamic warm up, we want to take some stretch. However, we don't want these to be static stretch. Those of you that have read leap surgery have worked out that actually if you static stretch at the start of a class, you deactivate your muscles in your feet and the back of your legs for up to 2 hours. So yeah, those 3-hour dance sessions that you have in the evening, if you stretch before, you're actually deactivating 2/3 of those classes. So our stretch that we're going to do is going to be yoga based. It's going to be flowy, horizontal, roll down. She's going to lift just the chin. Where's your chin? There, just lift up the chin and flatten out the lower back. Good. Then relax. Then jump it out. Then down we go. Lift it up that end. Good. Tuck it under. Hips up. In you go. And again, bring it in. Good. From there, let's take it up to a hip fold. Flex it back. And then rock it forward. Still keeping it moving. Nothing is static. Nothing is held. So if you held over split for a minute before you start dancing, this is really not going to help with flexibility of your muscles. Good. One last time. Flex it back. Bring the feet together. Roll up. Take the other. Let's make sure it's right. Hip is pulled back and nice and square. Good. Flex it back. And So I hope you enjoyed the first Wednesday with Rosina, and I hope you can apply it to your dance training this week. February Open London Workshop is currently booking. It's held at the awesome Pineapple Studios this time. Leap surgery, pirouette surgery, there's contemporary, there's minis, and stretch and strength with the amazing Sam. So be sure to book on. Those days usually do sell out quite fast. If you're interested in my summer intensive, the auditioned one, information about that will be coming out in a couple of weeks' time. This Friday is the deadline for any mentoring applications. I only have space for a couple of more mentoring clients, so be sure to get your application in if you're 14 and over. I think that's it. If you're coming to Amplify London this weekend, I really look forward to seeing you. It's our 4th event of 6, which is insane, but don't worry, we're already planning season 2.